what's up, Sam here. So this is the PW11 Pro Max, which the brand claims it is a powerful smart cleaning solution for your entire house. But that means I can forget about my vacuum cleaner, my grandma's mop, and everything else, and just get this one. Is that true? In this video, I broke down every part of it and give you my honest review. What's good, what's bad, and whether you should buy it or not. Let's get started. I've already done an unboxing of the PW11 Pro Max and I'll show you in detail what's inside the box, the assembly, dresser, so I'm not going to repeat all of that. If you are interested, please go and check it out. Let's put this machine to the test. The PW11 comes with some standard accessories that you would typically find in other stick vacuums, like a carpet brush roll, which I find also works well on ceramic tile floors, and an electric mattress head that allows you to clean your sofa and bed, remove mats. Ever wonder why you get itchy sometimes when sleeping? Use this tool to clean your bed. It also includes a crevice tool that reaches super narrow gaps, like between sofa cushions, to pick up whatever is in there. It's also good for small items like green beans. The upholstery tool has a soft brush head and is larger in size, making it perfect for cleaning large particles or objects covered in thick dust, like my fan and air purifier. It's funny that they provide clean air but cannot clean themselves. I found cleaning this really soothing, so I included some footage here for you to enjoy. What's more important is the dual brush roll floor head. It not only features dual brushes, but also has a water spraying function and a self-cleaning capability. But how is the performance? Let's find out. We'll fill the water tank with clean water and add some detergent from the box if we think it's necessary. The three physical keys on the handle, the power key, mode switch key, and the water spraying key. The cleaner supports three modes: auto, floor, and carpet, each doing exactly what the name suggests. Before we start cleaning with this dual brush floor head, I like to suggest picking up those slightly larger, hard toys that your naughty kids left on the floor. Believe me, they will definitely get stuck in your cleaner. Every cleaner on the market will struggle with them. The best part of this floor head is that it not only cleans all the surface debris, but also tackles stubborn stains that stick to the floor, except for those really tough stains that are nearly impossible to remove by hand. What kind of cleaner can handle that? You can always spray some water to loosen them for easy removal. One thing I love about it during cleaning is the flexible head, which allows me to easily reach those hard to clean corners, like on the cabinets and the sofas, without having to move them. Edge cleaning is also excellent. In my apartment, all the stains are genuine, accumulated over time. After using the PW11 Pro Max for the whole day of cleaning, I'm really impressed. Here's a picture of the before and after. If you have been using a smart cleaner for a while like I have, you know that cleaning the cleaner can be an issue. Fortunately for the PW11, it has a self-cleaning button. Just press it and it self-cleans itself. How cool is that? Of course, you can also clean it manually. You can remove the two roller brushes and wash them separately. Most importantly, check this out. The PW11 Pro Max separates solid waste and dirty water, making it easy to manage and prevent any waterlogging. How convenient! The dustbin is also washable. You can disassemble it and remove the HEPA filter to wash and dry for the next use. So, to conclude about the PW11 Pro Max, let's start with areas that need improvement. First, the dustbin is a little bit smaller than I expected, and I always need to empty it before the next cleaning session. Or maybe because I have a dirty house and I'm a little bit too lazy. Second, I found the noise level to be a little bit too loud, especially in carpet mode. However, I understand that with 460 watts of strong power and 21 kPa suction in such a compact design, it is a good trade-off. Plus, the motor is waterproof according to the official specifications. Aside from these 2 points, I really have no complaints. I love how powerful it is at picking up everything on the floor, especially the water spraying feature that makes stubborn stains easy to remove, freeing my hands completely. The small LED panel and the voice indicator make it even more intuitive to use. The self-cleaning feature is fantastic. To prevent odors, it also provides fast hot air drying, something I've only seen in super expensive stick vacuums. But for the PW11 Pro Max, it sells under 600 euros. What more could you ask for? And if you are interested, check out the link in the description and get one today. Thanks for watching. I'm Sammy, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.